to the judges and my beloved friends and audience. Let's thank to Allah who has been giving us some mercies and blessings so we can meet in this time. My name is Nazala and I'm from SMK Bakti Kencana Banjar. I'm here want to tell you a story about my idol. This person has inspired me a lot. Her charm makes anyone think that she is almost perfect. Even though she has had a hard day, she always tries to put a smile on everyone's face. She is a real princess in the hearts of all her fans. Her name is Wendy. Wendy is her stage name. She picks that name because of her father said that Wendy's meaning is a friend who helps others. So she chose that name. Wendy is a member of girl group called Red Velvet. Red Velvet is a K-pop group who debuted in 2014. Of course, she has many talent. I know her from the movie called Trolls 2. She is one of the voice actor in that movie. From there, I searched many things about her on the internet or social media. I found that Wendy had lived in Canada for many years so that she can speak English well. Her accent made me fall in love at the first hearing. Her Canadian accent is really good in my ear. I also looking for her other things like her real name, her life back then. She was a smart girl when she went to school. She even got a certificate from the USA President, Mr. Obama, because of her intelligence. Her voice is also one of the things that makes her shine. Her voice is so addictive, especially when she sings in the high notes. There are some songs that I like at the end because of her. She added all. My English is better because of her too. Besides, because I study in tutoring place like Desa Bahasa Banjar, I also learned a lot from Wendy's video when she speak English. As I said, Wendy Canadian accents never let me down. She has a good pronunciation too. Of course, she lives in an English-speaking country. Once again, she inspired me. Oh yeah, don't forget to bring her beauty in the story. I'm sure that her face is a pretty in a high level. You can find many things about Wendy anywhere, and you will find a lot of goodness about her. Talking about Wendy will be never end. I have heard a lot of quotes from her. One of my favorite quotes from her is, "No matter the distance between us, we are always gonna be under the same sky." Red Velvet's member said that Wendy is like an angel without wings, and I agree with it. Wendy always makes everyone feel comfortable when they are with her. She does everything in a simple way, like sending food with a letter that she wrote by herself to her members. Besides that, her attitude have also been recognized by many people who work with her. Everyone who know her is agreed that she does everything with use her heart, so we can feel the love of sincerity in everything she does. Her life as if she used it as best she could, so that everyone could feel her kindness too, including me. It's like she was born to put a smile on everyone's life. From her, I learned how to spread positivity to everyone. From her, I learned how to make people happy in a simple way. From her, I learned how to be a good friend. I'm not gonna lie that I love her like I love my own sister. She means a lot to me. And I hope one day I can meet her and tell her that many people whose life brought back to life by her, including me. I think I used many words in here. So that's it. That's all my words to her. To the one who taught me many things that I never knew before. To Son Seung-wan, who we know as Wendy. We, as your fans, will always to support and enjoy all the works that you create. Thank you to all your works and love for us. And I think that is all I wanted to say. Thank you for all your attention and support. Hope you can enjoy and be inspired as much as I did. I'm Nazala. Thank you and goodbye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
You gon' have to do more than just. You gon' have to do less for you. So mama, you know you gon' need to do more than just. You know you